I'm Ahmed Hassan, and we're here in beautiful Northern California at the home of Jennifer and Carl. Today we're going to talk about FX Luminaire's Luxor ZDC system and how it alone can transform our homeowners' outdoor living space. So landscape lighting is just a part of landscaping these days. And outdoor living means people want to take their home and they want to be able to expand their living room into their backyard. It's a whole art form all of its own. Andy Thomas is a lighting designer. He specializes in FX Luminaire.
A couple years ago, FX Luminaire changed the game when they came out with the zoning and dimming capabilities in the Luxor system. Now, it's called the Luxor ZDC for zoning, dimming, and color. With those three options, now we can group our lights together, we can control those lights and make them more or less intense, and now with the color, we can make those fixtures do even more by shifting colors whichever direction we want. The real neat thing about the Luxor system now is that interface that you have with it. Instead of dealing with the hardware that's in the landscape, we're just moving sliders on a screen, which is so much easier and so much more comfortable. There's a few areas that I really like that I want to show Carl and Jen. As a designer, I'm trying to create vignettes, little scenes that they can stand and admire. That's what brings people out. Now you don't want to just sit inside and look at the yard. You want to go out and interact in it.
You know, you're inside and you see this out your window, and like your instinct is, you know, I don't want to be in here, I want to be out there. The lighting completely extends our house. I mean, it really gives us, like,
Very
you
much.
talk about square footage.
Kind of doubled it.
Yeah,
It doubled
doubled
our
our
space.
home space.
So here's our interface with your system. So this is how you're gonna set it up. You don't have to mess with the lights. All you have to do is touch this screen.
He made it really, really user-friendly. It's a one-touch type of thing. We have the ability to change our backyard into any color theme.
When we started this, you know, we did not have lighting. You know, you're thinking hardscape, right? Concrete, pavers, you know, everything, the pool.
It's almost like an afterthought.
Right.
And then when you get it installed, you're like, oh my God.
Yeah. It really makes the property like amazing. It's elegant, it's classy, it's natural, it's beautiful. It really is beautiful. I mean, there's definitely a difference between this lighting and anything I've ever seen.
There you have it, folks, the FX Luminaire's Luxor ZDC system. If you want more information on everything FX Luminaire, including their new Luxor ZDC system, please visit www.fxl.com.